In the world of project management, especially as we navigate the complexities of modern teams and innovative solutions, we often encounter terms that, while seemingly informal, carry significant weight in practical application. One such phrase you might hear, particularly in brainstorming sessions, agile stand-ups, or discussions about tools and techniques, is nifty things. But what exactly is the meaning of nifty things in a professional context? And why is it a term worth understanding for anyone involved in managing projects? As a project management expert, I can tell you that nifty things isn't a technical term you'll find in the PMBOK guide or a Prince2 manual. However, it's a wonderfully descriptive and incredibly useful piece of jargon that, when properly understood, speaks volumes about efficiency, innovation, and clever solutions. Deconstructing nifty things. At its heart, nifty implies something that is clever, effective, ingenious, or particularly well-designed. When combined with things, it refers to a tool, a trick, a technique, a feature, or even a small innovation that provides a distinct advantage or solves a problem in an elegant way. Let's break down the layers of meaning behind nifty things in a project management context. Clever solutions. Nifty things often refer to smart, non-obvious solutions to common problems. Imagine a recurring administrative task that takes hours each week. A nifty thing might be a simple script or a small automation rule that reduces that task to minutes. It's not necessarily a revolutionary change, but a clever workaround or an intelligent application of existing technology. Efficiency boosters. These are the elements that help teams do more with less effort. A nifty thing could be a keyboard shortcut that saves seconds on a repetitive action, a custom template that streamlines documentation, or a small widget in your project management software that gives you immediate insights without navigating through multiple menus. Their impact, while seemingly small individually, adds up significantly over time, boosting overall project efficiency. Ingenious features. In the context of software, nifty things are often those less advertised, but incredibly useful features that make your life easier. For instance, in a collaboration tool, a nifty thing might be the ability to instantly turn a chat message into a task, or to automatically set follow-up reminders based on keywords. These are the thoughtful additions that show the software designers truly understand user workflows. Practical workarounds and hacks. Sometimes, a nifty thing isn't a built-in feature but a clever way a team has adapted existing tools or processes to fit a unique need. This could be a specific naming convention for files that makes them easier to find, or a low-tech visual cue in the office that improves communication. These are the hacks that improve day-to-day operations without requiring a major system overhaul. Small innovations with big impact. Nifty things are often iterative improvements rather than disruptive innovations. They are the small tweaks that smooth out rough edges, remove friction, and make a process flow more seamlessly. Think of a simple dashboard visualization that combines data from disparate sources to give a project manager a unified view of risk. It's not a new technology, but a smart application of existing capabilities. Why nifty things matter in project management. While informal, the concept of nifty things is incredibly relevant to successful project management for several reasons. Fosters a culture of continuous improvement. When teams actively seek out and share nifty things, it cultivates an environment where everyone is encouraged to look for ways to do things better, faster, and more smartly. This aligns perfectly with agile principles of continuous improvement and iteration. Boosts team morale and productivity. Discovering and implementing nifty things can be incredibly satisfying. It reduces frustration caused by repetitive tasks, frees up time for more meaningful work, and makes daily operations feel less cumbersome. Happier, more efficient teams are inherently more productive. Enhances problem-solving capabilities. By focusing on nifty things, project teams learn to identify small pain points and think creatively about how to resolve them. This develops a mindset of incremental problem-solving that can be applied to larger project challenges. Optimizes tool utilization. Many project management tools are packed with features, but users often only scratch the surface. Nifty things often highlight underutilized features that, once discovered, significantly enhance the tool's value. It's about getting more out of what you already have. Reduces waste and inefficiency. Every nifty thing that automates a step, streamlines a process, or clarifies communication helps eliminate wasted time, effort, or resources. This directly contributes to better project performance and cost efficiency. Encourages knowledge sharing. When someone finds a nifty thing, they often share it with their colleagues. This promotes knowledge transfer within the team, building collective expertise and ensuring that clever solutions benefit everyone. Examples of nifty things in action. Automated reminders. Setting up an automation rule in your project management software to send an email reminder to a task assignee 24 hours before a deadline if the task isn't marked complete. Custom templates. Creating a project brief template that auto-populates key client information and project parameters from your CRM integration. Smart filters. Using advanced filters in a task list to instantly show all tasks assigned to you for the current week that are blocked by another team member. Proofing tools. Leveraging built-in proofing tools in a collaboration platform that allows stakeholders to comment directly on specific sections of a document or image, streamlining the review cycle. Dashboard widgets. Configuring a custom dashboard widget that displays the burn-down rate for your current sprint alongside open risks, giving you an immediate project health check. In essence, nifty things are the unsung heroes of daily operations. They are the small but mighty improvements that, when aggregated, create a significantly more efficient, pleasant, and productive working environment. For a project manager, being attuned to nifty things means fostering an environment where innovation isn't just about grand gestures, but about continuously finding clever ways to optimize processes, leverage tools, and empower the team to deliver projects more effectively. So, the next time you hear someone say, "That's a nifty thing," pay attention. It might just be the key to unlocking your next productivity breakthrough.